Welcome back to our channel, the Knowledge Hub for understanding complex business strategies. Today, we delve into the mechanics and legalities of the matrix plan within multi-level marketing. The matrix plan, or the forced matrix plan, stands as a unique approach within MLM, lauded for its preset depth and width structure. In a typical 3x9 matrix plan, each distributor can recruit 3 distributors for the first level, which extends for 9 levels. New recruits are automatically placed further down the distributor's downline. This auto-placement continues until all positions are filled, promoting balanced growth across the distributor's network. What sets the matrix plan apart is the fairness and balance it brings to MLM, ensuring even distribution of new recruits across the network. Unlike other MLM models, the forced matrix plan does not allow distributors to sponsor more recruits than their plan's width allows on their first level. An important distinction exists between legal MLM operations and illegal pyramid schemes. Legitimate MLMs, like a well-implemented matrix plan, focus on selling real products or services. Distributors earn income through direct sales and also from the sales made by the distributors they have recruited. Globally, MLM regulations differ from country to country. Before joining an MLM model like the matrix plan, it's important to understand your country's specific MLM regulations. The matrix plan offers a unique, balanced approach to MLM, focusing on fair distribution of recruits and ensuring mutual growth. The matrix plan, while effective, does present some challenges, such as maintaining communication and control over recruit placements in the downline. The matrix plan underlines the need for balanced growth. Its success hinges on collective effort rather than individual achievement, making it a tool for unified and shared success. The matrix plan's unique structure provides a balanced and fair platform for distributors, promoting a sense of unity and shared success. However, like all MLM models, it is crucial to ensure its implementation aligns with legal norms and focuses on genuine product or service sales.